Some big news coming in here. Fresh WhatsApp chats between Shruti Modi and Rhea Chakravarti have emerged. WhatsApp chats show that Sushant had promised to quit weed. WhatsApp chats show that Rhea Chakravarti was trying to make Sushant quit weed and take medicines. Remember, Rhea Chakravarti has denied charges of consuming drugs herself, claims that she has never consumed drugs in her life. Here, in fact, WhatsApp messages between Rhea Chakravarti and Shruti Modi clearly shows that Sushant had promised to quit weed and Rhea was trying hard to make Sushant quit weed and take medicine. Saurabh Bhaktania joining us for more details on that. Saurabh, what we see here is contradictory to what WhatsApp messages that were sourced earlier. In fact, ED also hinting at the fact that Rhea could have been procuring drugs and consuming it herself, maybe even administering it to Sushant. Here it seems like a twist, where Rhea's chat messages with Shruti Modi shows that Sushant possibly was a weed smoker. He promised to quit weed, and these WhatsApp show that Rhea was trying to make Sushant quit weed and take medicine, since he was, according to her, clinically depressed. So she was trying hard to make him quit weed and take up medicine. Take us through the details. What are these WhatsApp messages really all about?
Well, these are the very important details which are coming forward. Now, look, the ED official who was investigating particular this case, they came to know about this whole drug racket which was going in around. Now, they came to know that there was some people who are actually providing drugs to this particular family. Now, what happened is the ED has provided some of the very crucial evidences in the whole case to the CBI. Now, ED has also written to investigate this whole particular case to the Narcotics Control Bureau of India. They have assured that they are putting on some senior officer to investigate the whole case. Now, Nabila, this is not the first time which has been revealed that there was some sort of drugs which was been consumed. Now, there are a whole lot of serious allegations on Rhea, and the things were also coming in that whether she was actually providing or she was giving some sort of drugs to Sushant, that has to be investigated. Now, yesterday family made a big claim saying that some of the narcotic substance was actually given to Sushant without him knowing about it. So these are the big allegations which have been made by Sushant Singh's Rajput family. Now, Nabila, to point out one more very important thing, the cook Neeraj Singh, who has been grilled so many times by the CBI officials right inside this DRDO guest house where we are present right now, Neeraj Singh in his statement has also claimed that just before Sushant allegedly committed suicide, he had taken this particular what we call as the wrap, which is the drugs which we call as the to smoke. So there was one case which was found from the cupboard of the Sushant Singh's Rajput bedroom, and in that case there were 3 such weeds which were found, and all of them were empty, and these 3 weeds were given to Sushant by Neeraj Singh. So how far this is true, that needs to be investigated. And remember, the same statement Neeraj has given to the Mumbai police, who have confirmed this particular thing. So lot of things need to be investigated. Once there was the financial angle, now the drug angle has come up. The Narcotic Control Bureau of India is now going to look into this particular matter. They are also having a high-level meeting, which will be conducted by today morning, and from afternoon they will start investigating the whole case. So many things line up for the investigation today as well, Nabila.
Absolutely, Saurabh. But what we hear here is Sushant Singh Rajput was trying hard to quit weed, and Rhea Chakravarti was helping him quit it and take up medicines. That's what the WhatsApp chats there reveal between her and Shruti Modi. All that needs to be investigated now. In the meanwhile, Saurabh, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.